Dear students, in this episode, we discuss about the chapter surface area and volume, that is unit 3, chapter number 30. Unit 3 and unit 30. That is 19th episode. Then there are four types of solids in this case. One is cuboid, second one is cube, that is the high types. Third one is cylinder, fourth one is cone, and the fifth one is sphere. What's a cuboid? It is a solid. Solid means the length, width and height. It is a solid. The base is a rectangle and there is a height, therefore it is known as a solid. Then a cuboid means base is a rectangle and there are two bases for that cuboid. All other four sides are always rectangles. Therefore, for a cuboid, there are two bases. They are with the same dimension and the same area. And there are four sided surfaces. They are known as lateral surfaces. They are equal with area and also equal with the pressure. Then first one, it is cuboid. This is cuboid. That means this is the short figure for that one. This is cuboid. How many surfaces? There are two base surfaces. That is, this is base. The roof of this classroom is also a cuboid. That means there is a base, that is a rectangle. It is another base in the top, that is also same as that one. And all the surfaces of these sides are four surfaces with rectangles. Therefore, there are how many? Two base and four lateral surfaces. Therefore, there are 8 surfaces. Sorry, 4 plus 2, 6 surfaces for that cuboid. How many edges? There are 4 edges for the base and 4 edges for the top and 4 edges for the lateral surface. Therefore, 4 plus 4 is 12 edges. The point of intersection of edges is a vertex. Therefore, there are 4 vertices in the base and also 4 vertices in the top. Therefore, 4 plus 4, 8 vertices for a cuboid. For a cuboid, there are 2 base surfaces and 4 lateral surfaces. And the number of side surfaces is 6 and the number of edges is 12 and the number of vertices is 8. Then length is equal to L. Width is equal to B. And height is equal to H. Then area of a rectangle, that is length into width. Therefore, base area is equal to L into width, that is LB. How many base? 2 base. Therefore, 2 base area is equal to 2LB. Lateral surface area is equal to base perimeter into height. That is the basic concept for the lateral surface area. Is equal to base perimeter L plus B is twice of L plus B. That is 2 into L plus B is the base perimeter into height. Open the bracket, that is 2LH plus 2BH. That is the lateral surface area of a cuboid. Therefore, total surface area, TSA means total surface area. Total surface area is equal to 2 base area, that is 2LB, plus lateral surface area 2LH plus 2 We take it 2 as common, that is 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. That is the total surface area of the cuboid. Area is always in square units and the volume is in cubic units. That means for centimeter, area is in centimeter square and the volume is equal to centimeter cube. That is cubic centimeter. Then volume of that one is always base area into height. That is the basic concept. What is base area? LB into height. That is LBS. That is the volume of a cuboid. Therefore, 2 base area 2LB, larger surface area 2 into L. That is 2 into L plus B into L. That is 2 LH plus 2 BH. Therefore, total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. And the volume is equal to L into B into H. That is base length into width into height is the volume. This is value for a cuboid. Clear? Then let us consider the second solid, that is a cube. Cube means all the surface are equal in area. That means length, width and height are equal. It is a cube. That means all the measures are equal. That is a square. All the sides are squares. It is known as a cube. Therefore, side of a cube is A. Then what is area? Length and width. L is A and width is A. Therefore, A and A is A square. How many surfaces for a cube? There are 6 surfaces. Therefore, total surface area is equal to 6 A squares. The area of a square is side square. That is A square. How many surfaces? 6 surfaces. Therefore, total surface area of a cube is 6 A square. And the volume is L. That is A. Into width. That is A. Into height. A. How many A? We can multiply A 3 times, therefore it is A cube. Area in square units and the volume in cubic units. These are the main points for the cube. That means side is A, therefore total surface area 6 A square and the volume is A cube. Then third one, it is the base of that solid is a circle. Therefore, this is the circle. Therefore, this is the cylinder. And this is the height. And this one is the radius of the base. The third one is cylinder. That means the base is a circle, that is a cylinder. Then what's the area of a circle? It is pi r square. How many base? 2 pi r square. Therefore, height is equal to h, radius is equal to r. Therefore, 2 base area. How many circles? Only 3 circles. Circular part with the 2 base and the lateral surface is not in the surface, that is a rectangle, but it is a curved surface. Therefore, for a cylinder there are 3 surfaces, 2 circular base and 1 curved surface. Therefore, base area is equal to, what is the area of a circle? Pi r square. Therefore, 2 pi r square is the 2 base area. And the curved surface area is equal to base perimeter into height. What is base perimeter? 2 pi r into height. Therefore, total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r x. We take 2 pi r as common, therefore r plus x. 2 pi r into r plus x. What is pi? Pi is 22 by 7 or pi is equal to 3.14. Actual value is 22 by 7 and approximate value is 3.14. That is not terminating. It is not terminating recursion. Therefore, sometimes radius of that solid or that cylinder is given as 10 cm. That is product of 10. Then we consider 3.14 as pi. But the radius of the cylinder is multiplier, that is 7, 14, then 21, etc. Then pi is replaced by 22. That is the value for simple calculations. And the volume is equal to base area into height. What is base area? Pi r square into height. Therefore, pi r square is the volume of the cylinder, and 2 pi r into r plus h is the volume of the surface, total surface area of the cylinder. Then, the top circular part of the cylinder is reduced into a vertex point. We get a chord. This is the chord. Therefore, fourth one is chord. Therefore, this length is the lateral slant height. Lateral surface length is slant height. Okay. Then fourth one, chord. Chord means one surface, base surface of a cylinder is reduced into a common point vertex. Therefore, that solid is a chord. For a chord, there are two surfaces. One is base with the circular part, other is curved surface. And height is equal to x. Radius is equal to r. L is known as slant height, the length on the curved surface. That is slant height. Equal to yes, sir. H is the altitude, R is the base, and L is the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Therefore, the relation between these three is what? R square plus h square is equal to L square. Then R is equal to root of L square plus L is equal to root of R square plus h square. R is equal to root of L square minus h square. H is equal to root of L square minus R square. L square minus R square. That is the height of the chord. Then let us consider base area. Is equal to pi r square. Curved surface area is equal to pi r l. That is the curved surface area of the chord. Then total surface area pi r square plus pi r l is equal to pi r into r plus l. that is the total surface area of the cone, and the volume of the cone is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. Therefore, volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square, which is the volume of a cylinder. It is 1/3 part of that. That is 1/3 pi r square, which is the volume of that cone. Clear? Then let us consider fifth one, that is a sphere. Then fifth one, sphere. That is a ball, it is a sphere. That is a circular ball. Then always there is only one measure, it is radius. Then surface, only one surface for a sphere. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r square, and volume is equal to 4/3 pi r. Then sixth one, hemisphere. That is half part of a sphere. That is a hemisphere. Base area is equal to pi r square. Curved surface area for half of 4 pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. Therefore, total surface area, sum of these two, and the volume is half of the volume of sphere, that is 2/3. Clear? Therefore, for a cuboid, that is first one, length is equal to L, width is equal to B, h is equal to height. Then 2 base area is equal to LB. Curved lateral surface area is equal to base perimeter into height is equal to 2 into L plus B into h is equal to 2 LH plus 2 BH. Therefore, total surface area of the cuboid is equal to 2 LB plus 2 LH plus 2 BH is equal to 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. And the volume of the cuboid is always volume is base area into height, that is L into B into height h. Therefore, volume of the cuboid is LBH. All the surface of that cuboid are squares. That means length, width and height are equal to A. Therefore, side of the cube is A. Therefore, area of a square is A square. Therefore, total surface area of the cube is 6A square. And the volume is A into A into A, that is 8. The area is always in square units and the volume is always in cubic units. Then third one, let us consider, it is cylinder. The base of a solid is a circle, and for a cylinder there are 2 circular base and 1 curved surface. Then h is the height of the cylinder and r is the radius. Then 2 base area is equal to twice of the area of a circle, that is 2 pi r square. And the curved surface area is equal to base perimeter into height. Perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r into h. Therefore, 2 pi r h is the curved surface area and 2 pi r square is the 2 base area. And total surface area is equal to 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. And the volume is always base area into height. Base area is pi r square, height is h. Therefore, volume of that cylinder is pi r square h. Then on surface of that cylinder be reduced into form of a point, that is a vertex. Therefore, it is known as a cone. For a cone, there is only one circular base and a curved surface. And for the the curved surface, there is a cone that the height is h and the radius is r, and the length on the curved surface it is known as slant height, it is l. These three form a right angle triangle. Therefore, Pythagorean relation is base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. That is r square plus h square is equal to h square. Therefore, L is equal to root of r square plus h square. H is equal to root of L square minus r square. L is highest value. L square minus r square and r is equal to root of L square minus h square. From this relation, we can find out one value when two values are given. Then, base area of the cone is pi r square and the curved surface area is pi r l. Therefore, total surface area is equal to pi r square plus pi r l is equal to pi r into r plus l. And the volume of a cone is the 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder with the same dimension. Therefore, volume of the cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Then, there is only one surface, that is a sphere. For a sphere, there is only one radius r. Therefore, curved surface area over the surface area or total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square and the volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. Then, part of a sphere is known as a hemisphere, that is 6th session. And for a hemisphere, there are two surfaces. One is a circular path with the base and other is a curved path. Therefore, base area of that hemisphere is pi r square. Curved surface area, half of the surface area of a sphere, that is 2 pi r square. And the total surface area pi r square plus 2 pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. That is the total surface area of a hemisphere. And the volume of that hemisphere is half of the volume of sphere. Therefore, volume of the hemisphere is 4/3 is replaced by 2/3. Therefore, volume of the hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. These are the main points in this chapter. All the main points are always trace on your own notebook and read or by heart this formula. That is for a thymoid, base area 2LB, curved surface area 2 into L plus B into H is equal to 2LH plus 2BH. Total surface area is equal to 2 into LB plus LH plus BH and the volume is equal to LBH. All the surfaces are equal squares, therefore it is cuboid is reduced into the form of a cube. Side of the cube is A, therefore volume is equal to surface area is equal to 6a square and the volume is equal to a cube. Then the base of a solid is a circular path, therefore there is a curved surface, it is a cylinder. For a cylinder there are two base circular path and one curved surface. Height of the cylinder is h and the radius is r, therefore base area 2 base area is 2 pi r square and the curved surface area is 2 pi r s. Therefore, total surface area is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. And the volume is equal to base area into height is equal to pi r square h. One surface or base or one top surface of a cylinder is reduced in the form of a point, that is a vertex, therefore it is a cone. Then h is the height, r is the radius and m is the slant angle of the cone. The relation between these three is Pythagorean relation and r square plus h square is equal to h square. Therefore, L is equal to r square plus h square and h is equal to h square minus r square and r is equal to h square minus h square. Then the base area is the circular path, that is pi r square. Curved surface area of the cone is pi r l. Total surface area is pi r square plus pi r l is equal to pi r into r plus r. And the volume of the cone is 1/3 of the volume of the cylinder. Therefore, volume is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Then, for only one surface, that is a sphere with radius r. Therefore, total surface area or surface area is equal to 4 pi r square and the volume is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Part of a sphere is known as a hemisphere. For hemisphere, there is a circular path, that is base, and the curved path. Base area is pi r square and the curved surface area is 2 pi r square. Therefore, total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square and the volume is half of the volume of a sphere, it is 2/3 pi r cube. These are the main points in this exercise for this unit. Then exercise 13.1. Question number 1. A plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide, and 65 centimeter deep. To be made with open at the top. Find area of the sheet. To make the box. Also cost for 1 meter square is rupees 20. This is the question. That means a plastic box, that is length, width and height are given. That means it is always height. We can find out the surface area. To make that with the sheet, the cost of sheet, to find out the cost of sheet, we can find out the surface area. That means top is open. Therefore, only one base, not two base. Therefore, answer is L is equal to 1.5 meter. This is dimension. B is equal to 1.25 meter. And H, that is length, is equal to 65 centimeter. We can convert 100 centimeter is 1 meter. Therefore, meter divided by 100. Is equal to 0.65 meter. Clear? We can convert to centimeter into meter divided by 100. Therefore, total surface area is equal to, that is 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. That is the total surface area. But LB is the base area. There is only one base because top is open. Therefore, this 2 is replaced. That is total surface area is what? LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. So equal to L 1.5 into B 1.25 plus 2 into L 1.25 into H 0.65 plus 2 into B 1.25 into H 0.65 is equal to 125 into 50. How many decimals? 3 decimals. That is 1.875 plus 1.5 into 2 means it is 3. 15 into 2 is 30, therefore 3. That is 65 into 3. How many decimals? 2 decimals. That is 1.9. That is 1.5 into means 3. That is 1.95 plus 1.25 into 2 means 2.5. 25 into 50, 2 into 1, but 2.5. 2.5 into 65. How many decimals? 2 decimals with 1 decimal, that is 2.5. 3 decimals, that is 1.625. Then adding these two, 550. That is 5 plus 5 or 10, 0, remainder 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. Remainder 1. 6, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 6, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. Then 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. That is 5.450. That is 5.45 meters square. That is the area. Then cost. Equal to how many rupees? 20 rupees for 1 meter cube. That is 5.45 into 20 is equal to 545 into 2. How many decimals? 2 decimals. Cancel. Is equal to rupees 109. That is the answer. Cost for man is rupees 109. Okay. The remaining questions of the exercise will be done in the next episode. Okay.